Hi guys, we'll be decorating our heel platform today. So I have here my old heel. As you can see, it's not a new one. I've peeled everything away. So first thing I did was to wrap the platform itself, taking the length and the width, and cut my leather with it. So I'll just apply adhesive and fold everything. Okay, so now I've folded my platform. Now let's work on the vamp, the design itself. So my leather measured 8 centimeter against 28 centimeter. So now what I'll do next is to apply my adhesive and fold. This smaller one measured 2 centimeter, which on fold is 1 centimeter. So just watch as I fold this other bigger part of it. Okay, just this way, make sure that the raw edge meet each other at the tip. Okay, like so. So after this, we are going to fold it this way, creating a kind of bowl shape. So for this to happen, we'll be using our masking tape to hold them into place while we attach our smaller straps. Okay, so make sure you do this till you have a very tiny hole left, just as you see my own. So now I'll be using my spaghetti to hold this in place before I sew it. So do this gradually, making sure it aligns in the middle. I'll keep doing this gradually till I get to the end of it. Then when I get to the end it, then I pass the strap through the smaller hole that I have on the other end, just as so. Okay, so this is the way we are going to attach the straps. Then add another one. It's going to be 3 in each of the vamp. Okay, then I'm adding the third one here. So all we need is just 3 of this. It measures 1 centimeter on folders. If you're cutting it, you cut 2 centimeter and fold it inwardly, getting 1 centimeter at the end of it. So this is what I have. I'm going to sew it after this. So now for our beaded design around the edge, I measured the platform all around and use it to cut my leather. Then use the bead chain to measure my openings and punch them. So I've applied my gum on it, and I will be fixing my bead on the leather. When you are doing this, please make sure that your hole is big enough to pass your bead through. If not, you're going to find this very difficult doing. So just keep doing this just as you've seen me do it till you get to the end of the leather and you have everything all fixed into the leather. So I've done everything. As you can see, it's just to attach it. Now this is how you are going to attach it. First, you're going to couple your footwear first. So I'll be using my spaghetti now to attach this like so, making sure that it aligns properly. Please, while doing this, make sure that you don't spray your spaghetti close to the bead. Let it be far away so that if there is any mistake, you can actually pull it and continue. Okay, don't make it come closer. So I'm going to continue this way till I get to the end of my welting or the wrapping. Okay, so this is just how you're going to do this till you are done. And here we go. This is how the down looks like, and all I'm going to do now is just to fit in my outsole and my heel, then fix the sock itself. So this is how it looks after I've done everything, adding my heel and my outer. So this is my heel and our footwear is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Any question, drop in the comment section and I'll reply you as soon as I can. Okay, see you in my next class, and I hope you become creative as always. Bye.